Hi John, just wanted to show you your toys and how to use them. Over here is the recorder toy. When someone's speaking out there that you want to record, obviously you just press it into record. You got up to 1 minute of record time, and then you put it back in the middle. Now when you want to play it back to them, all you need to do is hit play. It's not going to play right away, it'll play when I key the microphone. Alright, you'll hear it through the talk back here. Might gain all the way up. You see that modulation there? It's fully modulated, nice and loud. It just sounds kind of soft on the talk back, so you don't have feedback on your microphone. So it knocks the volume down. So it's perfectly loud. Alright? And then the close encounters. This toy is going to play for as long as you're recording for. Okay, now it'll shut up. Alright, close encounters over here on the right hand side. A little label on this says toy with a black push button. And that's just whenever you want. There you go. That's all there is to it. We'll throw this on here too. The Roger beep, we got it set up for you. Just put it on Roger beep and let go. That's pretty much what you're looking for anyway. That's it. If you want to change the Roger beep, put it over to program. Over here, RB, then hit function, and then we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have it on 5. That's pretty much what I think you're gonna like. And then you turn that off. If you want to use that beat, put it in Roger beat. Key the mic, let go. There you go. If you wanted to change it, it's gonna go over to program. See it in the code there. To over to RB, like that. Then hit the function button and change it to a different one like that one. That's it. So program, number 4, function. There we go. Select the number. I think that's the one you're going to want. So I'm going to leave it there. All right. Take care.